Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're going to dive into a fresh and flavorful Vietnamese dish, green mango salad. This dish is the perfect combination of tangy, salty, sweet, and a little spicy, with a refreshingly delicious taste. Mango salad is great as an appetizer, a main dish on a hot summer day, or even as a fun street food snack. For mango salad, we usually use green mangoes because they're tart, mildly sweet, and crisp. In Vietnam, we have many varieties of mangoes. Here, I'm using a southern mango, which is firm, slightly tangy, and perfect for salads. Peel the mango and julienne it into thin strips. You can also slice it into chunks if you prefer. To make the mango even crunchier, you can soak the strips in ice water. But since this variety is already crisp, I'm skipping that step. To enhance the salad's flavor, I'm adding some shredded carrot. The bright orange of the carrot makes the dish look even more colorful and fresh. When it comes to mango salad, we often add shrimp, meat, or dried beef or pork to make it more exciting. I'm using shrimp today, peeled, cleaned, and cooked. I kept the tails on for presentation. For the herbs, there's a lot to choose from. You can use basil, mint, Vietnamese coriander, cilantro, or perilla. Wash them thoroughly and chop them up. These herbs add a fresh and fragrant kick to the salad. Next, let's make the dressing. Start with 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust this depending on how tart your mango is. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Stir it all together and finish with some minced garlic and chili. Now that the dressing is ready, I'll add some fried shallots to the bowl with the mango and other ingredients. Fried shallots are crispy, aromatic, and add a lovely nutty flavor. I'll also toss in some roasted peanuts for a crunchy, savory bite. Drizzle the dressing over everything, then gently mix to ensure all the flavors are evenly combined. If you want a bolder taste or prefer it sweeter, feel free to tweak the seasoning. Once everything is well coated in the dressing, plate it up and sprinkle the remaining peanuts on top. And just like that, your mango salad is done. It's fresh, crispy, tangy, spicy, and absolutely aromatic. If you're looking for a light, refreshing dish that's easy to make and full of authentic Vietnamese flavor, give this mango salad a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.